Live One Co College Tribe, welcome back to our channel where we live, learn, and create. We know selecting a major can be a daunting task. It's really about enrolling in a major that speaks to who you are and refines what you're already good at doing to elevate and enhance your skill set to dominate in the workforce. To help you with your decision making, we're here to reveal to you the top 3 majors with the highest earning potential. That's right, those majors that will have your pockets on swole after getting that college degree. So tap in, College Tribe. We're working our way from the bottom up, and we'll share with you today's salary ranges for these industries from our conglomerate research from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, Payscale.com, Glassdoor, and Indeed. Also, know that salary ranges increase with master degrees, additional certifications, and experience. If you're a fast listener, speed this video up by clicking Settings within the video and adjusting the playback speed to your liking. All right, let's do this. Coming in at number 3 is business finance. Yes, this is a great major to start rolling in the dough after securing your bachelor's degree. The finance industry has always been known for its competitive salaries, driven by complex financial transactions and investment strategies. You can anticipate your core business finance college courses to include principles of management, marketing principles, business communication and business strategy, and policy. What's great is there are countless paid internship opportunities with Fortune 500 companies and organizations that can give you the hands-on experience while in school that will solidify your career after college. Lucrative careers in commerce are plentiful. Banking, capital market, cost and management accounting, and financial planning. Roles within the major of business finance that will certainly enhance your financial well-being are leadership positions like CEO, director, and manager. The entry level or starting salary range for business and finance is $60,000 to $80,000. The salary range doubles and triples for those with concrete experience, business and finance certifications, graduate certificates, and MBAs. Coming in at number 2 are healthcare and medicine majors. The healthcare and medicine industry is not going anywhere. This booming industry is a human right and necessity. It's needed to protect and improve the physical and mental well-being of people. The demand for healthcare and medicine remains strong, significantly contributing to competitive salaries. You can anticipate your core healthcare and medicine college courses to be quite comprehensive. Some courses you will find on your schedule as biology and anatomy, medical ethics and bioethics, pharmacology, patient care, clinical skills, and more. Mandatory internships for healthcare and medicine center around clinical lab and research, pre-med school, healthcare administration, and more. High earning careers in healthcare and medicine are many: pharmacists, occupational therapists, dietitians and nutritionists, and dentists, just to name a few. As a career, healthcare and medical jobs that can potentially amass you a fortune include physicians and surgeons, anesthesiologists, and medical directors. The entry level or starting salary range for healthcare and medicine is $60,000 to $105,000. The salary range triples and quadruples for those with medical degrees and healthcare master degrees, along with extensive favorable practice, medical research, and discoveries. And finally, coming in at number 1 is Computer Science and Engineering, known as CSE, a consolidated program for majority universities. That's right, all things STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Technology, technology, technology is and will remain the future. Hello, artificial intelligence, AI. Hello, Internet of Things, IoT. Hello, cloud. And hello, 5G. In computer science engineering, some of the basic courses you will take are programming languages, data structures and algorithms, computer architectures and networks, machine learning, and more based on your discipline. Well-paid internships for computer science and engineering majors are data science, front-end or back-end engineering, product management, and mobile technology. Technology jobs bring in the most pay because they reach so many people. Tech companies rake in billions and have billions of users globally. The work computer science engineers do touches about any and everything created from code. The demand for technology increases by the minute. Great careers in technology are software engineers, web developers, cybersecurity experts, big data analysts, and a whole lot more. Technology manager, software architects, cloud engineers, and IT managers are bankable tech jobs that you can pursue to fatten your bank account. The entry level or starting salary range for computer science engineering roles is 76,000 to 121,000. The salary range skyrockets for those with proven experience and technical certifications. Prospective college students, we hope this information helps you in selecting the major best for you. And remember, salary ranges significantly increase with a master's degree, current and up-to-date certifications, and experience. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you will never miss a video where we live, learn, and create.